AutoGPT in 5 minutes. Imagine hiring a virtual employee that never sleeps, makes 0 mistakes, and finishes entire projects seamlessly. This isn't sci-fi anymore. It's AutoGPT, a cutting-edge open-source AI agent reshaping how we automate tasks in 2025. But what exactly can AutoGPT do, and how is it smarter than ChatGPT? Let's unpack that next. AutoGPT isn't just about chatting. It acts as your virtual employee that plans, executes, and iterates tasks independently. Think of it like having a 24/7 worker who handles complex workflows without coffee breaks or errors. In 2025, this means automating everything from emails to data analysis, saving you tons of time and hassle. It's open source too, which means developers worldwide are constantly improving and customizing AutoGPT. So whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious, AutoGPT can amplify your productivity like never before. Stick around because in this video we'll break down how to start using AutoGPT step by step, no tech jargon needed. Welcome to ThinkSync, where future tech meets real productivity. Let's dive in and unlock your AI potential. AutoGPT explained, AI that thinks and acts. Ever wondered what AutoGPT actually is? Let's break it down and see why it's a game changer in AI. AutoGPT is an AI agent built on ChatGPT or GPT-4, but here's the twist. It doesn't just chat, it thinks and acts on its own. Unlike ChatGPT, which stops after each answer, AutoGPT keeps going, completing tasks step by step without bothering you each time. Imagine telling it, find top 5 SaaS competitors, analyze them, and create a business report. Sounds complex, right? AutoGPT jumps into action, searching, reading, analyzing, and writing all by itself until your report is ready. It doesn't just stay inside its bubble either. AutoGPT grabs other tools like web browsers and code editors to get the job done. Think of it like an AI project manager that can work alone, handling every step from start to finish without needing your help. So next time you need a deep dive or a detailed task done, remember, AutoGPT's got you covered, working while you chill. Curious to see how AutoGPT can boost your projects? Dive deeper and let this AI take your workflow to the next level. AutoGPT's autonomy means no more babysitting your AI. It's like having a smart assistant who just gets things done. From research to report writing, AutoGPT handles multi-step workflows that would normally take ages if done manually. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, tirelessly working 24/7 to finish your tasks. And the best part? It learns as it goes, improving its approach with every new task it tackles. Picture this, your AI assistant handling complex projects while you focus on what you love. In short, AutoGPT is your AI co-pilot, ready to handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to sweat the small stuff. Ready to see how this AI powerhouse can transform your daily grind? Stay tuned for more deep dives coming up. AutoGPT in 2025, use and limits. Wondering what AutoGPT can really do in 2025? Let's dive into some cool use cases that make life easier. First off, email automation. Imagine AutoGPT reading your inbox, drafting replies, and sending daily reports without you lifting a finger. Need to research a product, summarize reviews, or whip up a blog post? AutoGPT's got you covered, from start to finish. Or how about coding? AutoGPT can write simple Python scripts, test them, and even debug. Startups are already using it to build their MVPs. Sounds perfect, right? Well, here's the catch. You still need basic tech setup to run AutoGPT smoothly. AutoGPT sometimes gets stuck in decision loops, kind of like being trapped in a choose-your-own adventure that never ends. Plus, it doesn't always pick the smartest path, so sometimes you gotta steer the ship yourself. Despite the hiccups, AutoGPT is speeding forward, evolving fast, and changing the AI game big time. So, are you ready to let AutoGPT take some tasks off your plate and boost your productivity? Dive into the future with AutoGPT, where AI doesn't just assist, it transforms how you work and create. Keep in mind, AI tools like AutoGPT need your guidance and a bit of setup to shine their brightest. Remember, technology is a tool, not a magic wand. Your input shapes how effective AutoGPT can be. As AI evolves, so will your workflows, faster, smarter, and more creative than ever before. So whether it's clearing your inbox, researching, or coding your next app, AutoGPT's got your back. But never forget, AI's power depends on your input, your choices, and your creativity. So jump in, experiment, and let AutoGPT transform your projects and ideas into reality. AutoGPT, your AI work partner. AutoGPT isn't just another chatbot. It's the start of truly autonomous AI reshaping your work world. Imagine your workload turning into simple tasks, and those tasks getting done automatically, no sweat from you. Soon, AutoGPT won't just help. It'll handle emails, research, app tasks, even customer service for you or alongside you. Want to set up AutoGPT yourself? Zero coding needed? You're in the right place. Hit subscribe and join ThinkSync, where AI, automation, and future work come alive every week. Stay synced and stay ahead, because the future of work isn't waiting for anyone. Thanks for watching. Catch you next week with more AI insights. Until then, keep innovating.